It was like 25 laptops. So just sort of sorting everything. Today's quite a bit warmer than it has been. It's a bombing -11. There for 3 or 4 days it was like -30 to -40 with the wind chill. So that is no fun scrapping in weather like that. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a little short video of me sorting some things. I still have to, this is all plastic. This is metal and stuff that still has to be redone. You'll have to have some metal taken off of it, the plastic. And this is all of my motherboards, RAM, CPUs, fan motors and stuff that I've got out of this. I know some people probably don't microscope this stuff as much as I do, but hey YouTube scrappers, got the last of the laptops done. I think it was 25. So yeah, this is an Acer motherboard, or one of the laptops. It's more copper than gold. You can see that there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has little gold pins in it. I'll have to go through my motherboards again to make sure I've taken all the batteries and stuff out of it. The CPUs, nice gold pins in them. It's just all the wire and ribbon that I take off to cut the ends off of them on a later date. But yeah, I've been doing this inside the house where it's warmer. You know, some of you guys are talking about the temperatures and stuff where you are. I would gladly trade you some of those temperatures for -30 or whatever. But anyway, every part of the world's different. It's awesome. Most of this plastic will go into my shred anyway, because my yard, actually it's where I work, they will take this as shred. Which is good. Yeah, so this is another motherboard. It's just kind of, this is where the hard drive's at. Not bad. Where I am at, there's not a whole lot of options for e-waste. So I'm glad I do have. This was the mouse pad. take out as much of the big stuff as possible. Like these keyboards, I'll take this apart and see if there's any silver stuff in behind it at a later date. Yeah, it's hard to scrap when it's cold out. Your fingers and everything go numb. I get down to the little stuff. I just dump it in this box and I'll look at it. I got a lot more motherboards here that I gotta go through. I got a big box of motherboards here. I gotta still go through and take the heat sinks off. Some things that I gotta take off. All this wire that I need to strip. I think what I'm gonna do now is collect up most of my tools, take inside and reorganize my tool bags. I've got a nice little tote I'm going to put all my driver bits in. Set this down here. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos lately. A lot of really good scrappers out there. Most of my tools I've got is, I used to work at a garage years ago. I got a bunch of tools for working on vehicles. Now that I'm back at the junkyard, working at the local junkyard, I'm back using some of my skills as a mechanic. Which is pretty neat. Get my tool bags cleaned up a little bit so I know what I have and what I don't have and where stuff is. A lot of my tools are here, there, and everywhere. Tom Tom, didn't even know I had. I got so much stuff. And I really don't remember what I got, what I do and don't have. Anyway, someday I might get organized here. Anyway, if you like my content, subscribe, share, like, thumbs up, comment, leave comments down below, and I'll show you how I have this all reorganized once I get her done. So that in there. Yeah, so hopefully I got everything. But anyway, everyone have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.